So you end up getting a case or maybe a portable monitor that has a stand like this, but you have no idea how to put it together. Well, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how. So these cases are fantastic because it also doubles down to go ahead and protect your monitor or your iPad or whatever it might be. But sometimes it can get really confusing of how the stand actually goes together. So let me go ahead and show you very quickly of how to do this. And now there are a couple different types of stands. Some have like a little magnetic part on the top up here, and the other ones right there are actually going to be attached to your actual case. But most of them are going to kind of look like this, and you're like, I have no idea of how this is supposed to go. So we're going to go ahead and take our portable monitor, and if you guys are looking for something like this right here, I do have a link down in the description if you guys want to go and check that out. You're going to go ahead and put it right into this crease right here for it. You're going to go ahead and take this part right here, you're going to go ahead and fold that up like that. So now it should be completely flat against there, and then you're going to see that you actually have two grooves, so you can go ahead and actually lay it in two different directions. Now some of them might even have more than that. We're just going to go ahead and expand this here out just a little bit. And that is going to give you more upright. And if you want more of a lay down, you can kind of do that. But that's not all. We're going to do this, and then we're going to take this extra flap. We're actually going to go ahead and move it this way, and that's going to go prevent our screen from falling out this way. So your screen should look like this. And now you can go ahead and enjoy your extra monitor, your portable monitor, or even your iPad all right there for you. If you guys found that helpful, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button by helping the channel. Hit the like button too as well, and we'll see you guys on the next one.